know what that feels like, yeah. Yeah, the vibes.
Talofalava, my name is Jacob. I'm a facial animator working at WETA Digital.
That feels like cheers here to the good life. Now this really make you want to get.
Some of my favorite characters, first of all, of course, Golum. That was one of my first characters that I worked on. That was revolutionary. In Tintin, Captain Haddock.
You care about something, you fight for it.
He was one of my characters that I got to work on. Just loved his big lips, actually, to be honest. You get to be funny like that when you work on faces for a long time. In Apes, the bad ape, Koba, he of course was a brilliant character. After that, Thanos, which is in everyone's minds. He was a great character. I loved his Tor spirit that I could really respect, even though he was the baddie. I was actually sad to see him go. Oh, spoilers.
Does put a smile on my face.
I've been in the industry, film industry, animating for about 20 years now. I grew up in Invercargill, so I think as a Samoan with immigrant parents, they all wanted me to be either a doctor or a lawyer. So I went to university studying psychology. Told my parents that, hey, I actually want to do something that's art-based. Said, hey, these designers, you know, they can earn more money than doctors. And my dad said, yep, go for it, son. Being Polynesian does inspire me in my work. I've been spending 20 years bringing to life other directors' vision. So, of course, I really want to direct my own film. The first one is a short film that I'm making, which is called The Song of Sina. I have a great group of people all over the world working on it with me. We have no budget, but it's all for the love and the passion. Really give it a modern twist. Portray our stories for the younger generation, for them to be proud of and to be proud of being Polynesian.